Guys, section 14 in our report, or just the next one in the PCA order that we use, is commercial kitchens. It's actually not in ASTM, it's in CCPIA. But we believe it's a special enough system. It has fire safety and life, I say that right? Life safety and fire protection importance. So we join it to the report, but we give it its own section. Often, if a commercial kitchen is being used as a restaurant, there's a lot of grease-based cooking going on, we'll even bring in a third-party inspector for this. The kind of items that you see come up on commercial kitchens have a lot to do with grease, have to do with coverings, grease traps being full. These types of things will not only run you into problems in your operation of the building, they're going to ratchet up your insurance risk and your fire risk. Not to mention, we don't deal with or believe in the multiplication of government agencies, but if you're interacting with them, they're going to notice these grease things. Check us out at WBTC3.com. We'd love to send you our checklist. We'd love to point you to other checklists. You can also develop your own. We believe in improving buildings so that you and your people love being there. Thanks again.